Hey there, financial rock stars. Welcome to Frugal Insights. Are you tired of feeling like debt is holding you back? Well, you're in luck because today we're talking about how to pay off high interest debt quickly. Let's get started and crush that debt. Tip number 1, face the music. First, let's face the music. Take a close look at your debt. Make a list of all your high interest debts, including credit cards and personal loans. Knowing exactly what you're dealing with is a first step to becoming debt-free. Tip number 2, snowball versus avalanche. Now let's talk strategy. You can use either the snowball method, paying off smallest debts first, or the avalanche method, paying off debts with the highest interest rates first. Choose the one that works best for you and stick to it. Tip number 3, pay more than minimum. Here's the magic trick. Pay more than the minimum payment. By paying just a little extra each month, you'll save tons on interest and pay off your debt faster. It's like finding extra money in your couch cushions, but better. Tip number 4, consider balance transfer. If you have good credit, you might be eligible for a balance transfer to a lower interest credit card. This can save you a bundle on interest and help you pay off your debt faster. It's like getting a financial superpower. So there you have it. Paying off high-interest debt quickly is totally doable with the right strategy and mindset. Remember to face the music. Choose your debt-paying method, pay more than minimum, and consider balance transfer. You got this. Thanks for watching Frugal Insights. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun and informative videos on personal finance. Let's achieve financial freedom together and have fun doing it.